Hi, my name's Nick and this is my Knapheide KUV. In this bin, we keep black iron fittings and the C-Tech drawers. In this drawer, for example, we keep some of our liquid tight fittings for making whips for air conditioners. In the second bin here, we keep some more black iron fittings, a lot of screws and miscellaneous parts for doing the everyday job. In this bin here, we keep Milwaukee tools and all of our scales, refrigerant benders, and just hole saw bits. In the back bin here, we keep wire and silicone. In the back door on the passenger side, we keep nitrogen and refrigerant flush. The middle door on the passenger side's PVC fittings, glues, and sealants. In this bin, we keep all of our recovery equipment for air conditioners. Front bin on the passenger side is recovery drum, torch, and copper fittings. And around here in the back, we have an air conditioner loaded up here. We keep all of our refrigerant jugs, wires. We have ladders and a brake up there for bending metal. And in the pipe drawers, we can pull out all of our PVC pipe and copper pipe. And I'm Nick, and that's my Knapheide KUV.